Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to set different notification tone for each WhatsApp contact. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your WhatsApp app and now tap on this profile icon next to the contact and tap on this eye icon and tap on custom notifications and check this option, use custom notification, and now tap on notification tone. Now select any tone for the chat, and that's how we can set different notification tone for each WhatsApp contact. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.